Snap Fitness is your 24-hour community fitness center. We have a variety of personal trainers that fits everybody's sort of needs and personalities. Each of them has a unique strength.
Upon sign up, you do get a free assessment with a personal trainer. Gives you a great opportunity to sit down with a personal trainer. You can ask any questions you have about fitness. Also, our personal trainers on staff here will help you reach your goals, whether it be bodybuilding, losing weight, boxing instruction, to general fitness.
We have all fitness levels, all fitness types. Our trainers are experienced in working with everyone.
Here at Snap Fitness, we really pride ourselves on being a fitness community. We get to know all our members, we get to know what all their goals are, and we really want to help you, guide you on that path to meet those goals that you have in mind for yourself.
We continue to try to deliver results-oriented fitness center that's focused on the members and the members' results first. We give you tools for achieving that, your own Snap Fitness page, and we also do a customized nutrition program for you. So come on in and let's get a workout.